Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling or disabling projecting to this PC on your Windows 10 computer. This should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just open up the Start menu, select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the System tile, and then select projecting to this PC on the left side here. So just go ahead and left click on that. So assuming that your device supports projecting this PC, there'd be an option where it would say Windows and Android devices can project this PC when you say it's okay. You would just set this to on. So pretty straightforward process there, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.